Hello guys, this is Magic Mashed Potato here.
And today we're here with some special guests, our cousins, McKenna and Mara.
And today we're opening Moj Moj Squishy toys.
Let's get to it, guys. Okay, everyone pick the one that you want. Okay, we did that.
Now these look so cool.
And these are so squishy.
And it says they're so soft, so cute, and so mojo. Okay, let's get to it and open them.
Yeah.
Let's go. Whoa. These look really cool. They're like in this little... Whoa. Oh my god, this looks so cute. Look, guys. So,
I need help.
Oh, you want me to help you open this?
Whoa, they look so squishy. And on these, it looks like it might say the names of all of them. Oh yeah, it does. See? So let's all open one of them first. Okay,
Oh, this one looks like a pea.
Oh, I got
And
the
I got the same one.
Oh.
I got the same one too.
That's so
We
funny.
all got the pea.
Now, let's see which one
I
we got.
got little tigers.
Let's see.
I think it's the SO21.
It looks like this one.
The daisy.
See, guys? It's right here.
Wow,
it looks
these
like
are
we
so
got that one.
squishy.
But I don't really know which one we
Look
got.
what I got.
Wait, this
Oh,
one's
I got
different.
a ducky.
This one's different than ours. Look.
Oh,
They're all
one's
different.
different. Whoa, they're all actually different.
And this one's a pig. I think this one's there.
Whoa. And so guys, we got all different ones. We thought we got the same ones, but they're all blue and cool.
Whoa, look at this one. It's like a pink bear.
Whoa, that's cool.
And I got a blue bear. And I got this one.
I think that's a rabbit.
Whoa, that's really cool. Can you show them?
So here's what mine looks like.
Oh.
Oops.
See?
Whoa, that's really
Oh, rabbit.
cool. So these are really like squishy.
They're so
bounce.
squishy and stretchy, and you can also bounce.
Bounce. Whoa.
And let me see what this one is.
Oh, cool.
These are
Want me to open it?
mine. This
I
looks like
think I
a
can-
sheep, and this looks like a pig. So I love
You need
sheep
a
and
little
pigs. Which one did you get?
I got a little ducky.
Yeah,
This
you
duck
did?
is so cute. I love it. Let's see what it is.
Oh,
So it looks like it's a couch
this looks like a
potato,
cat.
which is really funny.
So which one did I
It's
you got this one.
SO96.
You
You
got
got this one, McKenna.
Yeah. Can I see
Oh,
that?
These are so squishy, and you can even
Oh, this
stretch.
one's really cute. Okay,
Oh.
line them up, guys.
And
Everyone put yours in a line.
Line up, line up. Okay, guys. So these are the ones that we got. And let's see. Which ones do you guys like the most?
I like the ducky and
Me
the
too.
pig.
I like the ducky the most.
Me too.
And I also like this really pink one. And also this tiger is so cute because it has like these little lines on it. It's just so cute.
and my favorite one is this one.
Let's see which one that one is.
Oh, I think it's
A
the
koala.
That one looks like
And
this one kind of. Oh, that one.
SO22.
It's a party animal. So that's really cool. These are really fun to open. They're really squishy.
And you can also bounce.
Okay, guys. So pick which one you like the most. It has to just be one. So
one.
put all of them up and pick which one you like the most. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Which one do you like the most, Mara?
I like this one.
That one's really cute. I really like that one too. I like the duck and that one. Okay, guys, so that's it for today's video. Check out our other videos, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Bye.